a sophisticated cuisine, admirable architecture, and white sandy beaches. Who could ask for more? Imagine a small Paris with Basque influence, right by the sea and with much fewer tourists. That's exactly what we experienced on our first visit. San Sebatiàn, with its arched bay and white sand beaches, has long been a hotspot for vacationers seeking sun, beach, and city life. This combination made the city famous during the Belle Epoque. The obviously glamorous past is still clearly visible throughout the city today. In recent years, there has been much praise for the gastronomy. However, this needs more investigation, because this time we did not only come here spontaneously, but also very spontaneously got stuck at a bar to eat tapas, which had also been highly recommended to us, and which you get conveniently offered almost everywhere. Step by step, we learn here that our first spontaneous visit leads us to a city that the French Basques had so raved about.